Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I am going to create the Durga Puja SHOSHTI makeup look, which is this dark peachy smoky eyes which I have paired with the glitter liner, which adds so much glamour to this look. And I'm gonna wear this look on the day of SHOSHTI of Durga Puja. So if you want to know how to get this look, then please keep on watching. So at first I'm going to do my face, and for the face I'm using this foundation stick from Sugar Cosmetics, and it's called the Ace of Face foundation stick, and I got the shade 04 Breve, which has got the perfect yellow undertone which matches me perfectly. So I am gonna just put it all over my face in small strokes, and it's a full coverage foundation, guys. So during the puja days you just need a full coverage look, and it will just cover up your pimple scars, your pigmentation and everything. And I'm gonna blend it with the help of this brush. This is the PAC Cosmetics 003 foundation blending brush, and this brush will provide you a full coverage. So I'm just blending it with the help of this brush. So you can see this is a single layer of this foundation, and it has given me a complete full coverage. Now for the concealer, I am using Maybelline Age Rewind concealer in the shade medium, and I'm just putting it under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, on the usual areas where I just need to conceal. And it's also a full coverage concealer which will actually highlight your face as well. I'm just blending it with the help of the same blending brush. Now to set my overall face, I'm using LAKME 925 Primer+matte powder foundation in the shade Silky Golden, and the color actually matches me perfectly. So I will just put it all over my face and set my face with it. It's humid outside, guys, so you just need to set your makeup well. Now it's time to do my eyes, and for the eye makeup I am gonna use this eyeshadow palette from COLOURPOP, and it's called the COLOURPOP Yes Please palette, which is said to be cute AF, and it has got all the gorgeous peachy warm shades you need. So at first I'm gonna take these two shades. These shades are GNO and Big Cocktails, and I'm gonna mix them together and put it all over my crease. The colors are really pigmented, so you have to be very careful with the colors, and you have to build up the colors very slowly. So I'm blending this up very nicely. Now going back to the palette and taking this red shade which is called Spoiled, I'm putting it in the outer 1/3 of my eyes and blending it very nicely with the crease shade. Taking the blending brush again, I'm just running it all over my crease so that there is no harsh lines. Now taking this dark chocolate brown shade which is called French Kiss, and I'm putting it in the outer corners of my eyes to create the smokiness. This will also add so much depth to your eye look. So now taking the concealer, this is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in the shade C12. I'm just putting it on the lid. Actually I'll be doing half cut crease, so I'm creating a base for my next eyeshadow. I am distributing the concealer evenly all over my lid with the help of this flat shaded brush. Now taking this shade called Louis, which is a glittery peachy shade. I am just spritzing a little bit of fixer on it and putting it all over my lid on the part where I have put the concealer. This is a gorgeous shade, guys. It's a peachy shade which has lots of glitters in it, and the glitters are really finely milled and these are not sparkly glitters, so this will look very nice as a lid color. Now going back to the shades Giorno and Big Cocktails, I am just blending it all over my crease so that the previous shade actually blends perfectly with it. I'm also intensifying the shade dark brown in the outer corners of my eyes as well. Now it's time to do my lower lash line, and for the lower lash line I'm taking the shade Giorno and running it all over my lower lash line. Actually I'm just putting it a little lower now, followed by the shade Spoiled, and I'm just putting it very close to my waterline. And now I'm taking the shade French Kiss again and putting it in the outer corners of my lower lash line to create the smokiness again. And this is how my eyes are looking, and it's looking so weird. So now it's time to tightline my eyes, and for tightlining my eyes I'm using this RIMMEL's Candle Eyes Kohl Kajal in the shade Black, and I'm just tightlining my upper and lower waterline with it. Now for the liner, I'm using Maybelline COLLOSAL Felt Tip Liner, and it's a matte felt tip liner pen which works pretty well. So I'm just drawing a regular wing, not very thick, but I'm just trying to draw it very close to my lash line. And I'm just drawing the regular wing as usual. You know the drill. I have done a complete in-depth review of how to do a perfect wing liner. Now this is the star of the show, guys, and it's the NYKAA Radiant Liquid Eyeshadow in the shade Polaris Peach, which looks so gorgeous. And so I'm taking it at the back of my hand like this. I hope you can see. And I'm taking this curve liner brush from Zoeva, and it has got this curved tip which works so well. So what am I gonna do is that I have started on drawing another winged liner just above the black winged eyeliner which I have drawn, and you have to be very careful and use small multiple strokes so that you won't mess up with the previous black liner. You can see, guys, so you have to extend the liner from the inner corners of your eyes till the wing, till the previous black wing which you have drawn, and you have to create another wing just above the black winged eyeliner. So this is how it will turn out. And I'm doing the same thing in my left eye as well, and it's really difficult to do in front of camera, guys. It's really difficult, but I have tried my best to do. And taking this glitter eyeshadow again, I'm putting it in the inner corners of my eyes, and you can see it will just open up my eyes so well. And this is how my eyes are looking, and I am really happy for that. So I'll be having a pair of false eyelash, and I will be right back. Now false eyelashes done, guys. Now it's time to complete the rest of my face, and for the face I'm using my favorite holy grail contour palette from Sugar Cosmetics, and it's called the CONTOUR Force Face Palette in the shade 01 Subtle Summit. And I'm taking the contour shade and putting it all the usual areas where I just need to contour. I'm just putting it in the hollows of my face, on my forehead, on my jawline to hide my double chin, and all the usual areas. I will be also contouring my nose as well, because during the festival time you just need to look a lot more structured. So I'm just defining my nose with the help of this same contour shade. Now for the blush, I'm using NYKAA Get Cheeky Blush Duo in the shade Brazilian Bombshell, and I'm taking this peachy toned blush and I'm putting it on the apples of my face. And this blush is really pigmented, so you should be very careful about that. Now going back to the Sugar Contour de Force face palette again, I'm taking the highlighter shade from that palette and I will just highlight my face with it. I'm putting it on the highest points of my face, on my cheekbones, on my forehead, on the areas where I just need to highlight. I'm putting it on my nose, on my cupid's bow, on my chin, and you just need to be looking like a disco ball during the puja days. So this is how my face is looking. I'm taking the highlighting shade again and I'm just highlighting the inner corners of my eyes with the same shade, and also I'll be highlighting my brow bone with it as well. Now it's time to do my lips, and for the lips I'm using this is CHAMBOR Extreme Wear Transfer Proof Liquid Lipstick in the shade 483, and this is the best liquid lipstick formula I ever tried, guys, and it's so pigmented and the smell is awesome. So it's a dark mauve shade which has got a little bit of brown and burgundy in it, and I thought that this will go very nicely with this look, and I'm really happy with the lip shade. Now to set my overall face, I'm using this LA Girl Pro Setting Spray and I'm just spritzing it all over my face. And in the puja days, you just need to set your makeup, guys. So a makeup setting spray is really essential. So you have to set your makeup. So this is a finished look. This is what I'm going to wear on the first day of Durga Puja, that is Shoshti, and I hope you liked this video. If you did, then please hit on the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I love you so much. We'll see you soon, guys. Bye and happy puja.